All right, a little lightning link here, 10,000 major. Let's do $1 Dom. I'm all right, thank you. All right. $134 on the grand. And 1 million. Let's go bonus. There we go. There's a good bonus right out of the gate. $1,000 bonus. Hand pay. Alright. Oh, we got a flag bonus over here on a $25 spin too. Nice. Check that one out in just a second. Come on. Let's see that green ball. This is a chip, not a ball here. The lightning link. Ooh. Come on. Last one. Oh, there went a green one, or a blue one. All right, that's a good start. All right, let's go check out this one over here. Come on, balls. Not looking too hot. Kings? Nope. Some 9s. Yeah. 27 on the major. Might be stingy. Looking pretty weak. Nothing. 75 bucks. Maybe that's a sign to not play this machine. Let's go $50 down. Ooh. Don't forget the 9s. We need some bells. Bells are the best paying symbol on this game. Well, it looks like the video cut out there. I'll piece it all together here for us, but we did 1,600 on a $50 spin.